you
up,
want to
nigga.
talk about Hassan, but talk
Why
about.
you keep moving me down?
Don't worry about that, bruh. I'm having a conversation with
But
you. Now answer
you
my
can't
question,
talk
bruh.
shit. I said what the fuck I said. You heard me.
What do you mean? What do you mean you
Yeah, I
said
said
what you
what I
said,
said. You
bruh?
heard me.
You clout chasing, bruh.
Yeah,
Because Hassan
off
is
of
not
you.
on Clubhouse, bruh. Hassan's not on
What do you
Clubhouse, bruh.
have, Lucky, that I could
Okay?
clout chase off of you?
You're clout chasing. You're clout chasing Hassan's name, bruh. You are
Oh,
a clout chaser, bruh.
but my audience don't even know who he is.
Okay, but if your audience doesn't know who he is, then why do you have a room about him,
Because
sir?
I said what the fuck I said, and I'm going to speak
He
out.
doesn't know you,
What?
sir. He never
That's
had
what.
a conversation.
Now
No,
they
we
know who
actually
they
hold on.
is.
See, there that's the problem. We actually did. Like Hassan does know me.
Listen, Zaza Ali is a scammer, bro. So we're not going to even talk about Zaza Ali. She's a scammer. She's been
Oh,
exposed.
Hassan's a
She's an
scammer too.
informant. She's a scammer. Hassan doesn't scam anybody. Where's the proof he scam anybody? Where's the proof?
He scammed that booty hole.
I'm a moderator in his channel.
Yeah.
That man doesn't scam nobody.
You
Okay?
a moderator?
I'm a moderator in his
Booty
channel.
hole.
I have my own
You
platform, bro.
moderate his booty hole.
Okay? I have my own channel.
Yo,
But
chill
at the
that
end of the
booty
day,
hole
bro,
shit. Yo.
okay,
Moderate his booty hole.
you, sir, are on this
Hassan
Man,
Minaj,
platform.
disrespectful,
and
You
man.
that's
calling
it.
this man
Let's
Hassan
move
Minaj.
on.
You making fun of something that happened to this man tragically as a
Okay, what you
child.
gonna do about it,
That you
Lucky?
making.
Hey,
What
AAYAN,
am I
mute the
going to do
fuck
about
up
it?
in here, man.
Sir,
No,
you're
I'm gonna speak the fuck up. Who's telling me to mute the fuck up? What's your name?
hold on. One mic.
You see
I'm
me?
addressing this man. Let me address this man on my platform. Now,
Oh,
sir,
y'all
like
muting me?
I said, sir, you are using Hassan's name for whatever clout. I don't understand it. Maybe it was the Kanye thing. I don't know what it is, bruh. But we're not going to do this, bruh. We are not going to use Hassan's name for clout. And don't pass him no beam.
Yeah, who keep giving
We're
him a
talking.
beam, yo?
Don't pass him
I'm
no
not doing
beam.
none of that.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
And stop trying to make a straight man gay, man.
Okay?
For real, man.
This is the thing. This is the thing I don't get with AAYAN. This dude had a scammer. Bro, you had a whole scammer on your platform. Nosy Ho is a scammer. A prostitute scammer that hates black men, that made a platform hating black men in the black manosphere, but she wants support from people like Cynthia G and others that are nothing but liars and scammers that basically gang stalk other black women on YouTube.
Nigga, Ion hates black men, nigga.
Okay? So at the end of the day, bruh, you are a capper. You are clout chasing. You use this man's name for whatever clout that you want to use him for Whack 100. I don't give a fuck about a Whack 100. Okay? You have a 10,000 subscriber YouTube channel. Deal with building your base on your YouTube channel. Don't use Hassan's name for your clout for your page. I get it, bruh. You trying to promote something. Whatever brand you trying to promote, whatever platform you trying to promote, that's cool. But at the end of the day, I tell us to all you people here, his name, he does not come on Clubhouse. He doesn't get paid to be on Clubhouse. Clubhouse don't make us money. It don't make me money, and it damn sure don't make Hassan money. I come on Clubhouse to do what is supposed to be done to do. Promote my brand and get the fuck out of here after my content is over. Okay? We are not here to be on here to be Clubhouse celebrities or be friends
Bitch,
with Clubhouse.
like you're a
Dude,
moderator in Hassan's platform. Like, bitch, you talk about celebrities.
I'm not, sir.
You're a moderator there. So
Sir, you don't even know who you're
what
talking
you need
about,
to do
sir.
is you need to keep moderating his YouTube
Sir,
conversations.
Sir, I'm Bullis Gotti, sir. I have my own platform,
I don't.
sir.
Who?
Okay, all right.
Who's that?
We are not. We're not fucking.
That,
We're not fucking Clubhouse.
don't play yourself. People are
all
here
right?
for
And
me.
not a moderator.
You're a moderator.
I'm
Okay.
not no moderator.
And I just wanted to say AAYAN is known outside of
You a moderator,
Clubhouse.
bitch.
What is
AAYAN is known.
What is he known for? What is he known for?
I'm known for moderating bitches like you. That's what I'm known for.
What are you known for, sir? What are you known for? I know you.
What are you known for?
I've been in your room, and you're not known for just clout chasing, bro. I've never seen people on YouTube saying, "Yo, shout out to AAYAN this." Listen, man. I saw what you did with Benzino. I saw the bull BS you did to Benzino. and you lied on that man. Okay, I seen that. Okay, I see what you do to these people on here. I'm not gonna play those
Bring
games with
Ion
you.
back up.
I'm not gonna threaten you. I'm not gonna attack you. I'm not gonna do none of that. I'm not whack 100. I'm not gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna just tell you this, sir. Stop using people's names, bro. You are defaming this man.
Let's
You
see
are
this real
making
quick.
fun of a man.
Hello,
Bring
You supposed to be
bitch.
a
Let's
man
worry
that's
about.
supposed to feel sorry for somebody that was molested as a child, and you over here making rooms. You people are clowns for that, bro. You a
Let
clown.
him up. Let him up.
Hey,
yeah.
on his
Okay?
Instagram
We
bio, his Instagram bio say he changed his own narrative. So that tell you
I don't
everything.
care what he do. I don't care what he do. And don't shoot him off the stage. Let him talk. I'm not shooting this dude off the
I'm not either.
stage. Let him talk, have his conversation. Whatever he want to say, he could say it. But like I said, you're a clout chaser, sir. I know who you are. I know about your channel. I know about your page. Okay? I know a lot of you guys from YouTube. And a lot of you guys have not made it on YouTube. So you found a niche and a lane to promote being a part of interracial relationships. The
Bring Ion
divestment
up.
community is getting
Can I
big
finish talking
on
or
Clubhouse.
move me? Because
You
like, bitch,
couldn't find,
I
you
don't care what you
couldn't
talk
make
about.
the divestment community
No,
big on
bitch.
YouTube,
Let's
so
let
you made
your
it big
baby
on
mother was
Clubhouse.
on the app talking about how you feed her ramen noodles. You don't have shit to talk about with me. Take care of them
Oh,
2 kids you got.
Man,
Take care of them
oh,
kids.
that ain't
okay,
Drewski
sir.
goofy
Worry
nigga.
about that. Worry
That
about
ain't
them 2 kids that you have that you don't take care of and that you on
Okay,
child
sir.
support for. But let's move
Okay,
on
sir.
to Whack 100. Let me let y'all know something. I don't give a fuck if you know me in person. Y'all not gonna pull up though. That's the thing though. Like, so you know me in
Why do you
person.
keep talking
Hold on,
about pull up?
Lucky.
Why, if I
You
pull
know
up
me.
on
You
you,
know me in
sir, you
person.
calling
But
police
what
on
you
me,
should
sir?
know,
I'm
bitch,
not
is
putting
I will
hands
have
on you,
people
sir.
kill you. Okay, don't play with me.
Oh, you will
Oh
have people
shit.
kill
Oh,
you.
that's
I
a
hear
Oh,
Hey,
you.
the
threat.
Oh,
I
let's
hear
not
replay's
you.
do
on. The
that.
replay's
I hear
on.
Allegedly.
you.
Come on
I'm not
now,
threatening him.
guys.
You hear that? I'm
Nah,
not
say
that
no
nigga
threatening
got
him.
more. We
sent a
got it.
gate
He's
charge
threatening
after,
It's
me.
nigga.
it's
He's
a
We
threatening
got you,
me,
No,
ladies
nigga.
and
let's
gentlemen.
not do that. Let's not
like
go
Y'all
Yeah.
so
hear?
far.
No, hold on.
He
I
already did.
want y'all to hear this. I want y'all to hear this. I didn't threaten this man. I'm telling Clubhouse this. This man threatened me. Y'all heard it on the
no,
replays.
I never
You heard
threatened
me
you.
say
I
it.
never said that. What are you
Oh
talking about?
Oh,
no,
boy,
You
gay
say you a
oh
Like
gangster,
no.
I'm
killer.
boy.
saying, like if you pull up, like
Gay
there will be.
gangster.
Yeah. I'm from New York. What the fuck you mean? Like I'm really about this shit. So I
We know you just
hello.
said you'll get us all killed. We know.
Oh no, I never said that. Like, but the replays is on, and they can run back
Oh
and say it.
shit.
And for the dick me shits, I don't need y'all to respond. Like when me and Lucky were speaking. Like I've spoken to Lucky before, and we talk all the time. Like I know he probably got some good dick, but there's dick everywhere. We don't
Whoa,
gotta fight.
pause,
Hey, hold
pause,
up,
Bro, what is
man.
you
They get
talking
out
pause,
of
about?
Hey, what the
pocket,
fuck you
pause,
man.
So
What
talking
you
bitch,
about?
how
doing,
we get
pause,
here?
man?
Hey, how we
super
get
pause.
here?
It's
Yeah,
a
what
lot of
happened?
it's a lot.
This
I
guy
wouldn't
is
Pause.
crazy,
dick
Just
man.
keep your personal fantasy to
This nigga need
yourself.
help.
one
Yeah,
dick.
what
Facts.
happened?
I'm lucky. Some of these men on stage want your dick too. That's why they
Nah,
fighting you so
bro,
Nah,
hard.
keep that shit to
Shut
yourself,
don't
the
bro.
know how to
fuck
argue with
up.
a gay
Hey yo,
nigga,
you
man.
always
Yo,
trying to make
lucky
Go back
somebody
and
man.
gay,
forth.
Yo,
man.
lucky
That's
remove
crazy.
that motherfucker,
No,
man.
I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm dead ass. Like they really want your.
Yo,
Yeah, we
bro.
know you serious,
Hey, man, he trying to clean
Bro.
booger.
that shit up. He
Yo,
said,
yo,
Yo,
bro.
what
I'm gonna
yo,
be honest.
what
I'm gonna
happened
be
between
honest,
y'all
bro.
two?
I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. Don't listen, bro. Listen, bro. Don't do that to me, bro.
For
Please
real, yo.
don't do. I'm being respectful to you, bro. Please be respectful to me as a man, bro. Please, bro. You really trying to disrespect me up here, bro. And
This
that's not
nigga
cool.
weird.
That's sexual
All right, that's
harassment.
not cool, bro. And like you got a problem with people. It don't make no sense, bro. Well,
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.